Here's the house now. The entryway is all gutted. Laundry room, no changes there. There's Jack and Barb. Nothing, no issues with the office. So we got the flooring all ripped out here, and the countertop, and some of the cabinets. Here is where the busted pipe was. I think you can see it right. Right there it is. That's where the bus first took place. And it took out all the wood floor in the whole living room. In the basement, no more carpeting on the stairs, that's been removed. Everything's shifted around, as you can see, in the basement. The carpeting's been pulled up. Yeah, there's plastic across to kind of section off over here because that dehumidifier's running and they wanted to give it a little bit more drying. So they put plastic up. Here's this is the walls that were over here before. We've already went ahead and taken out the wall for the bedroom here. So now it's just one big room. And some of the drywall was removed due to water issues. The bottom section here, this whole wall is where most of the water really came down, right there into the basement. Back wall, just like the bottom quarter section, and again just the bottom quarter section over there too. This was the closet, walk-in closet wall right there. And then just really a section coming into the man cave there. I don't know if you can see, but there's a spot on the ceiling where there's some water damage, and up there you can see some water damage up there too. Some spots got some water damage there. So some other spots through the house. And actually even ran all the way. I think there's some spots over here too. Can't see them, but just some white spots. That's about it. Right, Barb?
Right. That's it.
That's it.